This is horrible. Oh my god.
If they sunk Tolan, Montevado, and now Ilima, and they all surround Jacinto...
Shit, they're punching holes around Jacinto to sink it.
This is KR-54. I'm hit.
Control, KR-5 is down in the Ilima sinkhole. We're en route, over.
Roger, Delta. Ilima was evacuated, but keep an eye out for surviving stranded just in case.
Wilco, Delta out. Let's get over to that
On
chopper,
the right!
Delta!
Another building coming down!
They got blood mounts down here. Watch their reach. Who's next?
Back there! Locusts are killing everyone back there!
Watch your fire around the civilians.
At the barriers!
Come on!
Approaching our position. Requesting assistance.
Copy, 5-4. Delta's on its way. Keep moving, Delta. That pilot doesn't have much time.
Yo, Delta, Cole here. Locust got ambushes all over. Stay with me.
Cole, do you read? Cole!
He's gotta be close if we're hearing him.
Yeah, let's hope so. There's the smoke flare, Delta. Head that way and stay ready. We aren't the only ones who are gonna be following that trail.
Watch it! Corpser!
Take cover! Concentrate your fire on that tunnel! Scratch one front. That's gotta hurt. Raver! Let's do this.
Attention!
The Raven's on the other side of this building. Keep moving!
Damn it! We didn't make it in time.
Control, KR-54 and Charlie 9 are KIA. Delta out. Get back inside the building. We're sitting ducks out here. Ambush! Take cover! Keep hitting them hard, Delta! Control, this is Delta. We need backup ASAP. There's too many of them! Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Delta and Lima Sigma.
Marcus, is that?
Gotta be.
Nobody plays this game like me! Nobody!
Cole!
In the flesh, baby! Try to tell you to stay away from that chopper, man. Sounds like shit got thick for you.
It did. Thanks for the assist, Cole. Where's the rest of your squad?
Here's my squad. Except for Barrett and Tanner. We got separated after the drop. The last message came from nearby.
Sounds like we got a new objective. Control, this is Delta. Cancel Mayday. We've regrouped with Cole. Baird and Sigma are MIA. We're assisting on the search.
Oh, is that what you called it when I saved your
Copy that,
ass?
Delta. We have additional squads moving in to secure Lima.
Roger, Control. We'll keep you posted. Delta out.
Recruit. That's a good one. Good thing you got your star player back, Delta.
Welcome back, Coltrane.
Last message came from up this way, towards that tunnel.
Then let's check it out.